Back to the bogey. 14 to shoot. Ten to shoot. And a foul. Foul number 8. Hacking foul. Second goal, no. Okay. Back in 15. Last 42 seconds. Number 41 for 3, no good. Rebound number 88. Two points. Last 20 seconds, kickball. 19-17. Last 20 seconds. Number shot clock. 15. 10. Steal. And a dribble and violation. Last 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Number 1 picks. That's number 41. Number 1. Time to shoot. Good. No good. Rebound number 25 to number 7. It's a 2. 22-19. Hills. Back to number 19. 14 to shoot. Number 8. 10 to shoot. Number 15, pull up, no good. Rebound goes to number 2. To number 1, point guard. Number 2, out. Same ball, 15 to shoot. To shoot. 5 to shoot. 3. Deadlock to 22. Number 20, back to number 8. With 10 to shoot. A good rebound number 1. Shot ball. They beat the shoot. 10. Steal. Number 41 to number 2. Number 25. Back to number 1. Still number 20. Pass break play. To number 15, Salcedo. Back to number 8. Ferrer. Number 20. Zito, number 20. 7 minutes 20. Number 1, back to Kareem. The number 7, Tula. Labang na po natin David. Isa. Raja, no group. Ilagay number 5, BC2. 86 to 85. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Number 1, 2 points. 27-26. Time to shoot. 5. Out of bounds. Back to number 1. Number 19. Raja. Last one play to number 15, Salcedo. This is 28-27. 1 point lead by Raja. 5 minutes 43 seconds. Number 1 pull up. No good. Rebound number 19. Pass break play. To 1. Number 20 is 2. 30-27. 5 minutes 26. Fourteen. 10. Chiganas. That's a foul. Foul on number 18. 19. Sabra.
Pasting yan dati.
First row, basket. Second row. Basket. Minutes 45. Raja. Back to number 8. Pull up. No good rebound goes to number 5. C2 number 5. 32-29. Number 7. Number 2. Time to shoot. 5. Bounce. Foul on number 5. 32 sub. Shooter. Okay. Basket. Deadlock. Foul number 20. Pushing foul. 2. That's number 36, pull up for 3. 35-32. 3-point lead by Mike David. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. And a foul. Foul number 15. Sub. First throw, basket. 35-33. Second throw. No good. Rebound number 7. Out of bounds. Two minutes. And a foul. Foul number 7. Number 3, number 20. Out of bounds. Save ball. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Number 1. The Woods on 7 rebound. 55 seconds. Number 5, 2 points, 10 up, 35, 40 seconds. Number 7, Dula. Number 15. Up to number 5. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. 14. And a foul. Foul number 25. That's your second personal foul. First team foul. Number 13. 2 points. Third shot, 37. Number 26. Last number 25. Again. 2 points. 39-37. 9 minutes, 10 seconds. Open the shoe. Come on. 10. Number 28. Gets a foul. Foul number 24. Knocking foul. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw basket. Second throw. Basket. Deadlock. 39. Good. Basket. So points. 41-39. Number 24. Go up. Number 3 by number 43. Amaan. Good. Number 24 on the rebound. Number 24 back to number 7. That's it 2. 43-39. Less than 7 minutes 50 seconds. Number 88, Paul 28 on the rebound. Number 25. Number 25, back to Quintana. And still, and the line ball, sub left, sub. 13 to shoot. 10. Number 15, no good. Rebound goes to number 43. 14 to shoot. Number 2 is 2 points. 6.8 by David. Forty-five, 29, 6 minutes, 36. Number 28, good back. 45, 41. 6 minutes, 24. Number 25, three. 48, 41. Number 7, Quintana, no good. 48, 44, number 24, three.
Gumagalaw.
51, 44. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. 43.
Ay, bitin. Fasting din.
Steal by number 24.
Arlan.
Aman, beyond the ball.
Aywa.
Number 43.
Shoot, Aywa.
Rebound goes to Aman.
Dalawa ka na, Arlan. Bumawi ka ng bongga. Saka pa, kuya. Aywa.
Easy two.
Sana yun.
51-46. 4 minutes, 45 seconds. Chugalas. To number 24. Number 7. Rebound by number 88.
Ireland,
From
isa
good.
na lang
Line is
pasok.
a 2.
Unahin lang ni Kuya.
48-51. 3-point lead. Number 24. Back to 26.
Nice
For
one.
good. Number 43. Dribbling the ball.
Takbo Omar.
Drive to the basket.
Uy,
Is a 2.
bumawi siya oh. Oo, happy yan.
19, David.
Bumawi ang kamote ko.
51-50. With 4 minutes, 5. Out of bounds. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Nine to shoot. 9 to shoot. That's a 2. 53-50, 3 minutes, 17 seconds. Number 1, pull up. Number 24, pass break play. Chicanas. And a foul number 24. Number 1, up to 28 for 3. No good. The rebound, pull up. 3. Deadlock. 53. No good. Rebound, number 30. 2 minutes 10. Aman, is it in? 55-53, 2-point lead. Thirteen. 10. And a foul number 43. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Second throw. No
Ay,
good.
nag-aagawan kayong dalawa. Ano ba yun?
Deadlock. 55. 1 minute 22 seconds. And shoot. And a foul. Foul number 24. That's your fourth personal foul, sub ref. Warning for penalty. Rebound number 25 to number 1. Number 1, no good. Rebound number 41. Gets a foul. Foul number 88.
Bawi Kap! Okay lang, bawi.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Mainit siya.
basket. Second row basket. Last 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. Under play, no good. 20.
Ba, nalilin na yung camera ko.
Easy two. 5 seconds. $59-55. 5-point lead by Mighty Baby. Back to the ball game. Ready to shoot. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Out of bounds. Nice defense by Lashkot. 59-55. 9 minutes 30 seconds. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 8. That's number 15 for 3. 59-58. 1-point lead. Number 1 pull up. Number 19 on the rebound.
Ay!
8 minutes 35. Steal. Two points.
Nice
Laban
goal!
wala shot ng isa. 60-59. 8 minutes 12 seconds. Number 41. Pull up. Rebound number 20. Back to number 19. Alley play. Rebound number 5. Easy 2. 62-59. Number 41. Back to number 1. To number 7. Rebound number 20. Number 20. Drive to the basket. And a fancy foul on number 20. $62-59, 7 minutes, 16 seconds. Number 1, pull up. Deadlock, 62. With 7 minutes, 3 seconds. 14 to shoot. Number 20, pull up. No. Number 1 on the rebound. Number 1. Back to number 25, no good. Put back, no good. Rebound. Salcedo. Basket play. Rebound. Goes to number 1. And again, number 20 to number 8. This is 2. 64-62. With 6 minutes, 30 seconds. lead. Back to number 8 for 3. 67-62. 13. 3 timeout. 7. Number 21 gets a foul. Foul on number 8. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Then to shoot. Foul. Number 20. No good. Number 5 again. And a foul. Foul on number 7. Timeout. Mikey David. That's your second personal foul. First team foul. 4 minutes, 53 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter with 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Last shot as 3 timeout. Mikey David, dalawa na lang po ang timeout. Last shot, 3 timeout. Okay, first throw. No good. Second throw. Basket. 68-62. With 4 minutes, 42 seconds. 14 to shoot. Number 41, back to number 25. Oh, Salcedo Marula.
Ano ba yun?
And a line violation.
Bawet, oy!
14 to shoot. To shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket on number 41. 68-64. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Number 18. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 14 fresh. Number 8 for 3. 71-64. Number 2. Good. Number 20 on the rebound, pass break play on Salcedo. Basket.
Bawet, oy! Bawet!
73-64. minutes, 15 seconds. And still.
Ay, nabitin anak.
And foul. Foul number 40. Sabrat. 41.
Ano? Nakatakwa.
First personal foul, second team foul. Sub. First throw, basket. 10-point lead. Second throw. Foul number 15. Lucky foul, first personal foul. Third team foul. Sub. Number 1.
Ay,
Last 2 minutes. 14 to shoot. No good. Rebound number 41. Back to number 25. No good. Number 15. Back to number 1. Again. Rebound number 41. And a foul. Foul on number 24. Warning for penalty. First throw, basket. 6-point lead with 1 minute and 26 seconds. Second throw, basket. 74-69 with 1 minute 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Salcedo and good. Rebound number 41. Number 24. Number 1. Pull up.